Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create this custom blur effects in CapCut. So first, just add a clips that you want to edit and then go to the video effect, click on the lens category and then just add the blur effect. Click on it. Now put the effect on the last part of the first clip like this. Then add a keyframe at the start of the effect. So click on the effect first, click on object and choose all videos so that you can add keyframes. So here add a keyframe at the start and make the settings into 0 and add again in the end of the effect and set the blur to your liking, but I'm going to use 30. Click on the check icon. Now copy the effect and put it at the start of the first clip. Now reverse the setting of the effect. So for the first keyframe here, choose 30, adjust it to 30, and then the second keyframe 0. Now you just need to copy the effect and repeat the steps for all of the clips. I'm going to put it at the end of the clip and the start of the next clip like this. Okay, so after that you are done and this will be the result for the custom blur effect. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment and click on the thanks button. Bye.